Welcome to our tutorial about the Detail View. Let's begin by selecting Detail View in the panel bar. Now select the view where I'll create the Detail View. Now I'll create a circle around the view that I want to zoom in on. And I simply drag it out and drop it in any desired location on my sheet document. Before I do that, I can modify a number of parameters in the Detail View dialog window: identifier, scale, style, fence shape, etc. Let's drop our Detail View here. To reposition the Detail View, you simply click it and move it. Let's zoom in a bit. You can grab one of these handles and resize it as well. I can also grab the letter and reposition it. Click somewhere inside the drawing sheet to deactivate this tool. And this concludes our tutorial about the Detail View.